Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Bits credit card. Let's begin. Now, for those who are new to Bits, basically it is a digital store card which helps you build credit. So they report your store card account to Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion because having a credit account on your credit file will impact your credit score positively in the following ways, right? So basically it builds up and increases your total credit limit without increasing your total balance. Now essentially this is how the Bits store card works. It provides you with a digital store card, alright, and you pay your balance on a monthly basis, single bullet repayment, which they report to the credit referencing agencies such as CRAs, and of course they take a continuous payment authority CPA from you, which you can cancel or change anytime by emailing or calling the customer support service. Now, how do you create an account here? Well, it's easy because all you have to do is just click on the Get Started option, alright, and from here all you have to do is provide your email address, okay, and then click on continue, and you need to enter your phone number and they will use this to contact you about your account. And after that, clicking on continue, you would be able to receive an email verification that basically you are creating an account here in Bits. After that, now, once you are successful in creating your Bits credit card, remember that it is widely accepted by a lot of merchants because most credit cards are accepted globally wherever major credit cards like Visa, MasterCard, American Express, or Discover are honored. And of course, all you have to do if you're making an in-person purchases, just present your Bits credit card to the cashier at the point of sale. Insert or swipe your card in the card terminal and follow any prompts on the screen. And of course, you need to enter your PIN if required. Now, if you're using the Bits credit card online, all you have to do is enter your credit card details, card number, expiration date, CVV at the checkout on the merchant's website. Now, let me give you an example how to use it. Now, for example, I'm going to buy or purchase or a small item. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one, the digital watch right here. Now I'm gonna put it to my cart, okay, and of course once it's added, I'm going to my shopping cart and I'm gonna try to proceed to checkout. All right, now here comes the fun part, because all I have to do is now go down to the payment method, and from here just add the Bits credit card if that's available as one of the payment method here on Amazon, okay? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.